This is John with WTI. And every time I think about a energy drink, I could think a lot of sugar, lots of calories, but this one is actually pretty good. This is an ice energy drink, and this is the mango maximum flavor. Has a nice taste. This is a great flavor. I drank one of these before I was going to play basketball the other day, and I felt bussing. It has a nice amount of caffeine, and it's at like this nice vitamins and this whole circumstance that is not no sugar added. It has a nice flavor. It would add you all this energy that is gonna pump you up for any like hard activity or playing basketball, whatever you want to do. And the taste is not like you're making a trade up because okay, it's not that artificial or it's not that sugary, and so it's not gonna taste good. This one actually has great flavor. It has a great opportunity. I just put this in my backpack before a game, 20, 30 minutes, drink a little bit. It's just a nice flavor. And the burst of energy, it's real. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.